to Find the Soul, Southern Ohio Adventure Loop. Live in Shawnee State Forest Campground. Gonna hit the Southern Loop, see what we can come and find out. Should be about 43 to 50 miles of gravel dirt roads here in this first section, if I looked at the tracks right. And we'll go from there, but bring some pictures of different sites and let you know what you think of the loop, and talk to you here in a bit. Thanks, guys. We are on Forest Road number 2. It runs along the ridge on the southern loop of the Shawnee State Forest, overlooking the Ohio River Valley. Now we're west of Portsmouth, but nice maintained gravel road, nice wide. There's several other outputs to it that lead down to 52 Scenic Byway. We're going to end up closer to Blue Lick General Store. We're going to grab some lunch there, and we'll tackle some other unmaintained county roads when we get out of the forest. But very nice, very pretty, relaxing drive, beautiful scenery. Nothing that just an all-wheel drive car could come out and do. Guys, if you just want to look for a nice weekend getaway and enjoy some camping, this is a good place to do it at, you know. Beautiful, friendly people at the campground. The host was nice. Shower house is good, clean. Plenty of campsites with electric or non-electric. They got water there in case you need it. Ice, a small store for firewood. So, highly recommend it. And we'll check back again in a little bit, guys. According to Gaia GPS, Buckeye Trail, or it says State Forest Road 17. This was an optional loop that I found. I wasn't quite sure if it was going to be open or not. So far it's just gravel, a little more aggressive terrain as up and down until this section here I'm talking on. But it's off the main loop a little bit. It has a challenge section for adventure riders, the guy said. So, not for sure. Never been an adventure rider myself, so I don't know. But it is a nice little extra loop to get you out. Of course, going across another ridge here of the Shawnee State Forest. Coming upon the intersection of Pond Lick Road and Forest Road number 1. Number 1's to the left there, Pond Lick's to the right, and we're going to continue on 2 across the ridge. Guys, if you get to come out here and do this section, make sure you stop at the Blue Creek General Store. They got a deli, pizza, hot food. Everything we've had so far has been great. We've stopped here 3 or 4 times on different trips out there. But great local communities in Blue Creek General Store. They've got all kind of stuff if you need anything for camping or whatnot. But stop in, say hi. Super nice people. One of the few areas for gas around here, so keep them in mind.
Hey folks, this is Jason with OKIOverlanding. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Gotta go.
Tackling a small grade here on Morrell Hollow Road still. A lot of rock basin, a little bumpy, but again, a beautiful little beginner trail for somebody to come out and start with in their slightly modified truck, SUV. I don't know, been a nice morning so far, an afternoon. We're just putting along here, having a good old time. Going across Sunshine Ridge. We're out of the state forest, deep into Adams County. We're headed over to a road on Gaia that is supposed to be unmaintained. It's got color change in it, so we'll kind of see what it is. But up here again, we're across another ridge of the beginning of the Appalachian mountain chain, and it's nice gravel and beautiful scenery, nice and smooth. But again, if you're just looking to get out and get into overlanding and want to plan a first trip, this guy's would be a great route to take. I mean, you got a nice campground, amenities, shower house and stuff. Because if you're new, I understand, tough to swallow some of it. But no, this is great, guys. But it's called the Southern Iowa Venture Loop, or SOUL. As I'm saying, we're finding ours today, so enjoy. I'd do passenger a little bit. Straighten them up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming to the driver's side. Driver. Harder. There you go. All right, you're clear.
Yeah.
We are back to road now.
Back on gravel. We'll take it out of four-wheel drive here.
That was a good choice to continue on. That was really good. Nice little trail.
Yeah, I'm glad we did that. That was fun.
Hey, welcome back. It's Sunday morning and we are all packed up at camp. Meant to get some film of that happening, showing everybody closing up their stuff. Didn't happen. So today's full of plans this afternoon. So we are headed back a little early. We got some really good miles in yesterday of a place that newbies, beginners, first timers, or people concerned or not knowing what to expect and where to go is a great place to go to. Like I said, we stayed at Shawnee State Forest Park or campground. Amenities and water, which is there for some people. So it might not need that. There's some other hip camps around that we've checked out while we're out and about. Turkey Creek Cove campground, they call it. She's got two spots. It's a hip camp. One crosses the river, which is cool to get to, and the other one's a nice little area. She does have water and stuff there for you, but no other facilities. But it's a great experience to go out and hit the Southern Ohio Bench Route, Rose Soul. If you're new, wanting to get out somewhere close and say you're living, somewhere in Southern Ohio, it's an hour and a half from Cincinnati. Great place to go out and learn some ropes, do a little bit of off-roading, light off-roading, or if you want some of the other tracks that we found, truly unmaintained roads that can get you probably a little bit of trouble if you decide to come up them and it's wet out. Well, we went down through everything. We had no problems. Like I said, Sarge is up there and 2-inch lifted Wrangler with 33s. They're really just a lovely kit. I'm here in the Adventure Taxi, 2-inch kit, all the way around, and run stock size tires. We just put the kit on to have more clearance.
Hey folks, this is Jason with OKIOverlanding. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Gotta go.